Hey guys, for this video, I'll be walking you through the assembly of this Mow Garment Rack. Pretty straightforward. The first thing you want to do is you have this set of thinner support bars here, and this is for your canvas material to hold it up. So you have a male and a female that you connect those. Then you have a second set that you connect. So you have the push pin and one hole, so they can only fit together one way there. Snap those together, set it down, and then you grab your fabric canvas here and you take the bars that we just put together, and there's a little sleeve sewed into each side. So just take your support bars and slide it through each side like this. Okay, so now you have that. Next, you go ahead and you grab your side legs. Now pay attention to this part because I actually started putting this together once and I did it wrong and took it back together, or took it back apart so I could show it to you. It has these holes. The instructions clearly say to pay attention, but I didn't do it. So these legs have holes only on one side. You want to make sure that when you attach this to your fabric piece that we just assembled, that your holes face to the inside. That's important, or else you'll have to take it apart again like I did. So you take that and you grab from your hardware pack your screws, and you just put them in these holes. So there's two holes, and these support bars with your canvas, those have threads at the end. So push the screws through and get those started. Okay, so two on each side. So I have that one done. I'll spin it and do the other ones. Okay, so now I have all four started. I want to go around and just make them all tight. Make sure you don't over tighten it because you do not want to strip these. And I don't remember if I said already or not, but it does come with this Allen wrench, so you don't have to buy your own Allen wrench or use your own. You can just use the one that it comes with. Okay. Next, we can take and install our casters. So you can see the casters, they have this cap nut that's kind of pre-installed on each one of them. Just take that off, and it does have a lock washer on it. So just leave that lock washer and take your caster and slide it up through the holes so that they face the bottom of the rack. And then you take your lock nut and you tighten it to your caster bolt there. So do that for all four. and grab the wrench that they provide. And again, don't over tighten it, but you want to make sure you have it tight enough to not fall off. So give it a couple turns on each one. Okay, that side is done. All right, now that one is done too. The same thing, grab your wrench, tighten them. Okay. And I just noticed, looks like I missed tightening up one of my screws. So yes, now is a good time for you to also check to make sure you got yours tight. Guess that was the only one I missed for some reason. All right. So now you can see we have our side arms put together. The hole is on the inside on each side there. And you grab your extender bars with the push pin right here. And lock them in to the sides. Then you can put your top stainless bar together. It also, so one side has a push pin, the other side has a hole. Lock that together. And again, push pins on both of these bars, holes on both of your sides. So get lined up here. Push the pins, lock them both in place, and that's it. So fully assembled. Here's the arms extended. The casters roll nice. It feels nice. And that's it. Thanks, guys.